Right, biology buffs, let's jump into one of the coolest ways humans have ever tried to make sense of life on Earth. The 5 kingdoms. Seriously, imagine trying to organize every living thing you've ever seen, or will ever see, into just 5 groups. Sounds wild, right? But that's exactly what scientists do to help us understand the mind-blowing diversity around us. So, what are these 5 kingdoms? Let's kick off with the simplest. Monera. These are your bacteria and cyanobacteria, the tiny single-celled superstars you'll need a microscope to spot. They're everywhere, from your mouth to the deepest ocean vents. They don't have a proper nucleus, but don't let that fool you. Monera are ancient, tough, and absolutely vital for life. Now moving up, we've got the protista. Think of them as the oddballs, the can't fit anywhere else club, mostly single-celled but some form colonies. Some act like plants, others like animals, and a few even mimic fungi. You've probably heard of amoebas or the green stuff in pond water. Yep, that's protista doing their thing. Next up, fungi. You might just think of mushrooms, but this kingdom includes molds and yeast too. Unlike plants, fungi can't make their own food. They break down dead stuff instead. Think of them as nature's recyclers, breaking down leaves, bread in your kitchen, even the wood in old trees. On to the plantae. These are our green friends, trees, flowers, grasses, ferns. They make their own food from sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, and they're the backbone of almost every ecosystem on the planet. Next time you're outside, just thank the plants for the air you breathe. And finally, the animalia, us and every creature with legs, wings, fins, or even tentacles. Animals are multicellular, eat other things to survive, and are usually pretty good at moving around. From the tiniest insects to the biggest whales, this kingdom is all about action and adaptation. So there you have it, monera, protista, fungi, plantae, animalia, 5 kingdoms, millions of species, and a world that's endlessly fascinating. Which kingdom fascinates you most? Tell me in the comments. And if you want to discover more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you next time.